Hi and welcome to the first lesson of the basic UiPath course. I'm glad you have joined because today we are starting our journey with process automation using the UiPath tool. This lesson will be crucial because I'll show you how to create an account on the UiPath platform and how to download and install UiPath Studio, which is the tool we will be using to create our robots. If you have never worked with UiPath before, don't worry, I will guide you step by step, so stay calm. Let's get started. The first step is, of course, creating an account on the platform. So, let's go to the cloud.uipath.com. Next, we click the Sign Up button. Here we can choose between two options, a Google account, a Microsoft account, or simply providing our email address and password. Remember, UiPath offers a free community plan which is ideal for getting started, and that's what we will be using. We click on Get Automation Cloud for Community. This is the free version. We enter our email address, then a password. We click Create Account, and then we are notified that we need to enter a verification code. So, we check our email inbox, copy the verification code from the email and enter it. And just like that, we have created an account. Now we need to enter a display name and select the region. In my case, it's Poland. We click Next and choose a cloud organization name. Click Create Organization. And now we have access to the UiPath platform and an active account. The next thing we need to do is download the UiPath Studio installer. To do this, click Download Studio Desktop. Once the installer is downloaded, we can run it by double-clicking it. Here we have two options. We can choose either a quick installation or a custom one. But the most important thing is that we must accept the license agreement. If we choose the custom installation, we can select whether to install it just for ourselves or for all users on the computer. Then we select whether it will be for an automation developer or an attendant robot. I won't go into that in detail right now, so let's choose automation developer because we will be creating our automations on the same machine. Click Install. The whole installation process will take a few minutes, depending on the speed of your computer. During this time, the installer will download all necessary files and configure the environment for working with UiPath Studio. Alright, the installation is complete, so now we can proceed to the first launch of the program. We click Launch UiPath Studio. For the first time, UiPath will ask us to sign in to our account to connect Studio with the UiPath platform. Click Sign In, which will open a browser window where we enter our login details. After logging in, Studio is ready to use. As you can see, a window opens with the option to choose a profile. In this part of the course, we will focus on the professional tool, which is Studio. However, during work you can also switch your profile to Studio X, which is more suited for business users. So we click on UiPath Studio. As you can see, the main UiPath screen has opened, where we have access to options like creating a new project, opening existing project, or browsing available templates. In future lessons, we will delve deeper into these features, but for now, let's enjoy that our tool is installed and ready to go. That's all for today. In this lesson, we have created a UiPath account, downloaded and installed Studio, and also covered the basics of the interface. We are now ready to move on to more advanced steps. In upcoming lessons, we will create our first automations, which will show you how to use this tool effectively. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next lessons. See you in the next lesson. Take care and goodbye!